Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a very formal couples photo shoot using Gemini. So add in 2 of your pictures here, then go to tools and then select create images and then paste this prompt. Maybe generate an elegant photo based on this couple maybe. And then just press enter. Again, I will put the prompt in the description box down below. You do kind of have to tailor it to your liking, like what dress you would like to wear and like the flowers, the setting and the poses and stuff like that. But this is what it should look like at the end. Super cute. But I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!